So the federal government has announced an $82 billion economic response plan. And part of this $82 billion will be allocated specifically to small business owners in Canada. Here are the 5 areas that you should be looking at right away if you are a small business in Canada. The first is the emergency care benefit. This is a $900 payment paid every 2 weeks to self-employed and business owners who do not qualify for employment insurance. So this is for people who are ill, don't qualify for employment insurance, who maybe have to stay home and care for their kids. Second area to look at is the wage subsidy program. And the federal government is saying that they will pay 10% of your employee wages up to a maximum of $1,375 per employee. In total, $25,000 in total for that business. Now, what I can't seem to find is if this is per month or over the 3 months. So I feel that it's $1,375 total per employee over the 3 months. And I did the math backwards, and this would equal, if your employee is earning $55,000 a year, that employee would qualify, or you would qualify for the maximum 10% subsidy. The third area is lending. So the government has released more lending for small businesses. If you need extra cash flow to survive during these next few months, there will be extra lending available. The next area to look at is the tax deferral. So CRA is saying that taxes that are due effective now do not have to be paid and can be paid at the end of August. So last is the small business loans. So this isn't a government program, but it appears that most institutions out there are implementing their own relief program. So I would suggest you be in touch with your own bank. My bank touched base with me, and basically their program is you don't have to make a credit card payment or any loan payments. Not sure on line of credits yet, but you don't have to make payments. Interest will still accrue, but at least those payments don't have to be made. So I recommend you reach out to your financial institution. Those are the 5 areas we suggest that you look at right away. There's a pretty extensive blog that we've put together, and we'll be shooting further videos on the personal side, as well as a before cash flow for a business and an after the COVID-19 cash flow for a business, and some of the areas that you can really look at and implement in order to save your monthly cash flow.